In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on OBS virtual camera. So as you can see, I'm inside OBS right now and I'm recording, and what you want to do is go down here to where you have the sources and you want to click on this plus icon and look for the video capture device, okay? Now you want to click on this down here at the bottom, and then you can name it whatever you'd like, but I'm just going to leave it as video capture device, and then press OK. And then as you can see, it puts in your camera and the device says integrated camera. You have to switch this from integrated camera to OBS virtual camera. And once you click on this, it will change to the OBS virtual camera, as you can see, and then you want to press OK. And now you can put this wherever you'd like. You can leave it full screen, or you can just simply leave it like down here in the bottom or here on the right, like you want it. It doesn't really matter. You can choose basically. And now the way you turn this off is simply by clicking Start Virtual Camera over here. And there we go. Your virtual camera has been turned on.